110. Okay, 110.3782 degrees. So that is your theta sub 2, and we're ready to solve for d sub 2. So for d sub 2 now, d sub 2 squared, equivalent now to the remaining sides, we have d sub 1 squared plus d sub 1 squared plus 200 squared. Okay, this is the figure. Again, we have that side here. The second, take note, we're dealing now with the second parallelogram. We have d sub 1 squared plus 200 squared, then to get d sub 2. So minus 2 d sub 1 times 200 cosine, opposite to that is actually your theta 2. Opposite to this, okay, opposite of d sub 2 is actually your theta sub 2. So you will have then your d sub 2 equivalent to how much? 358. So we have 467.8263 83. That's Newton. So after having d sub 2, again going back to the figure, okay, after having d sub 2 now, so notice you are able to find d sub 2. This will now become your next side of the third parallelogram. So d sub 2 there. So ito must be parallel to this. And the last force, which is 300, should be this side, should also be parallel to this side. So if we try to identify the last parallelogram, this must be the last parallelogram that we have to consider. And then from that, I think you can see with a round symbol here, this is the last parallelogram. So from that, with this parallelogram now, this one, this, and this, you have to make sure that all your diagonals shall start at this point, which is at the point of origin towards there. Okay, you notice that your R is again very similar to the previous one, position of your R. So how shall we solve now? Now we need to solve R, so therefore we need angle what? Okay, so I will just draw this, the red one, as the closing line. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go, the diagonal, which is R, which is this one. So next, from that line, so we can now solve how. We need to find R, so we try to get the angle opposite to that R, which is this one here. So I believe this is around an angle of how much? Around 45.999. Well, let's see. To solve this now, we have to use cosine law again. to find this angle. So to find this angle is get r against this, then the remaining sides actually are known, so we can solve for this angle. So establishing the length of this r, we have now r squared I believe, how could that be? Cosine law. Okay, we will try sine law first. Or what? How much is that angle? If you try to analyze, where did we get 45.999? So that is 45.999. How? By cosine law. That's correct. Should be by cosine law. Since r, how is this 45.999? Do we have r? Not yet. So we need this angle first.